Most small e-commerce brands lose 70% of their traffic, not because of bad products, but because no one can find them. That's why I chose SEO. Hey, my name is Aditi. I am an HubSpot certified SEO consultant who helps e-commerce store grow with organic traffic without wasting money on ads. I haven't no real client experience yet, but I have spent the last 1 year for learning, testing, and building SEO system on demo sites that actually work. I chose e-commerce SEO because I believe great products deserve more visibility. I have seen so many store owners stuck spending on ads without results when SEO could have brought them long-term traffic for free. That's what excites me, helping honest brands get found. I focus on keyword research, silo structure, and content strategy that staff drives real result, and I work closely with founders especially who can't afford big agencies but want serious growth. If you are an e-commerce store owner and want a quick free SEO audit or some free advice for your store, drop a comment or DM me. SEO, let's work together. Thank you so much.